Yeah.
who has the time to do an employee handbook? This is our custom knowledge base, different workflows, roles and responsibilities, key performance. You can create a custom GPT where you basically tell it what you want it to be able to focus on, and then you can upload documents. So we would ask it, for example, create a PowerPoint for our ethics module, and it will lay out all the slides, and you can download it and then open it in PowerPoint to add all the bells and whistles.
This is actually just the custom GPT. Can you just show us how you created this in ChatGPT?
So in the create module, so I'm in the GPT creation module.
The chat.openai.com.
Yes.
What does that
So
do?
once
Oh,
you
there we are.
open the side panel, open up your account, and then I think it's a new project. They changed it, but you can even ask it how to create it. See,
Oh, there's your edit GPT.
yeah, so
And
edit GPT.
that would let you put in new things, right?
Yeah, so there. Then you go to configure and you can give it your basic instructions and then conversation starters. And then you can upload all your documents that you want to serve as the knowledge base for questions that are asked of this particular bot. And
Beautiful.
then, yeah, and then you can embed that link to that GPT
Hmm.
on the the site that I'm going to show you.
Okay, and so then you start asking it questions to build out like your training hub.
Correct. You can chat with it and basically tell it, okay, we're building a private knowledge base for our law firm. There are a couple of phases. The first phase was to basically ask it questions about all the existing employee handbook material that we had, which was incomplete. So we asked it, okay, generate the roles and responsibilities for all of these positions, review this employee handbook and give us ideas for gaps
Yeah.
uh, in the material that should be included based on an explanation of what our firm does to train it on and explain what we do. Once we got all that refined and finalized, we then uploaded that to create the knowledge base that I'm showing you now to create the training material, to create PowerPoint presentations like this, to create video presentation outlines. We created all the basically training material, and then we used it to create quiz questions that we embedded in our WordPress learning management system that I'll show you. So you could basically say now, okay, uh, create quiz questions for that module, and then it will create them, and then we just copied and pasted, or we edited and then we copied and pasted the quiz questions into the WordPress site. And then you can have a conversation too of like, sometimes it will output narrative questions where we only wanted to have multiple choice or sorting or true false or single answer type questions because we
Mhm.
didn't want to have to grade anything.
Yeah, I think that this is a really useful way. I mean, learning management and basically meeting you exactly where you are with any kind of like anything in all of human just sort of knowledge. Like it'll just like meet you exactly where you are and close the gaps for you. It's an incredible learning
Yeah.
tool.
Anybody that has a small business knows that to take your business from just the average to the excellent, you have to have policies and procedures and workflows to make sure that routine tasks are documented and uniformly performed and known to all of the employees. If it wasn't for this, I had planned to retire and be done from practicing law, but now I'm going to be practicing easily. It could be another 10 years.
Because it's like it's something that's fulfilling to you, whereas before it wasn't.
Exactly. Exactly. It was like before, I just needed or wanted to get out. And now I feel totally rejuvenated. I'm taking a lot more time off and it's like it's amazing the transformation.